What is Fibonacci sequence? Each number of the Fibonacci sequence is the sum of the two numbers that came before it. It starts from 0 and 1 usually. The Fibonacci sequence is the given by 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on. Fibonacci numbers are another name for the numbers that make up the Fibonacci sequence.
Fibonacci sequence was first discovered or invented by Leonardo Fibonacci. Leonardo Fibonacci was Italian mathematician who was born around AD 1170. Was initially known as Leonardo of Pisa.
Fibonacci sequence in nature. In some plants express the Fibonacci sequence in the growth points, the places where the three branches form or split. One track growth until it produces a branch resulting in the two growth points. The main track then produces another branch resulting in the three growth points. It is the Fibonacci sequence in nature.
Fibonacci in nature. There are infinitely many Fibonacci numbers that can exist, and these numbers can be found everywhere in the world around us. Nature is all about math. If you were to observe that the plants grows new leaves, stems, and petals, you will notice that it grows in a pattern following in the Fibonacci sequence.
The spiral pattern in the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci numbers can be illustrated as a spiral with squares representing the widths of the numbers. In the example, 5 plus 8 equals 13. Then 8 plus 13 add up to 21, etc. In mathematics, a spiral is a curve which emanates from a point, moving further away as it revolves around the point. It is a subtype of inverted patterns, a broad group that also includes concentric objects. These famous patterns shows up everywhere in nature, including flowers, pine cones, hurricanes, and even huge spiral galaxies in space. In the flowers, as you can see at a sunflower, and you'll notice a spiral patterns in the seeds. Their total equates to a Fibonacci sequence.
Hi everyone, let's talk about mathematical properties of Fibonacci. In my own understanding of this topic, is the sequence follows the rule that each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. The Fibonacci sequence begins with the following 14 integers, and I will show you to them. We have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144 to 133, and so on. So, I will teach you kung ano ni siya nga mga number or giunsa ni siya. So, ano siya? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then, 2 plus 3, 5. Then, 5 plus 8 equals 13. 13 plus 21, 34. Mawala na siya. Sunod-sunod na lang siya.
Application of Fibonacci numbers include computer algorithms such as the Fibonacci search technique and the Fibonacci heap data structure and graphs called Fibonacci cubes used for interconnecting parallel and distributed systems.
Benefits of studying Fibonacci. Moreover, the Fibonacci sequence has practical application in various fields such as stock market analysis. Its appearance in so many diverse areas speaks to the understanding and importance of mathematics in understanding the world around us.
So what is the importance of Fibonacci sequence in our life? The Fibonacci sequence shows up in many places, in mathematics and remarkably in nature. The Fibonacci sequence can describe branches of a tree and sequences in music. The number of petals on a flower and a Pascal's triangle paintings, structural design, and human anatomy, and the shape of a spiral, and more.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Rosangelo Travet Vilagila. To summarize, Fibonacci numbers are widely used in society. It's interesting how these never-ending numbers are employed in so many different ways. Like Fibonacci numbers are distinct from other mathematical areas, and that they can compute PI and are employed in art.